Nike is a well-known shoe brand all over the world with its sleek and fashionable types of sneakers. From Jordan Retros to Dunk Lows and Highs, etc., it seems that all of their sneaker models attract not only sneakerheads, but also others. That's why Nike shoes in general and some of these above models tend to be out of stock very soon. If you want to start out sneaker reselling, you have the best opportunities with our Cook Group. Our website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every single day and will post a message in our Cook Group once they find a profitable sneaker. They will save you a lot of time doing the research yourself. We have created an algorithm that shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money by investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. Click the link in the video description to learn more about how you can increase your profits as a brick flipper. Nike doesn't have any specific schedule on when they will restock shoes, but there are several ways to get notified about restocking. Nike doesn't have a specific schedule to refill their shoes. According to Nike's official website, the company will restock its inventory as soon as it is available. In addition, visiting @Nike Store on Twitter is another way to follow Nike's restock schedule. If you use the Nike app, you can also chat with Nike experts to hunt for your favorite sneaker. How often do Nike restock shoes? Actually, Nike used to have a formal restock page where you can find release dates and launch calendar of their sneakers. That website is Nike Sneakers, which even shows you what restocks are going to come on certain dates. Several key releases are labeled with "coming soon" in the category "upcoming." But some people might wonder how they can get restock alerts. The easiest way is to sign up to get updates on restocks from the Nike Sneakers product page or collections page. You will receive notifications about when the variants or models will be restocked. Why does Nike sell limited sneakers? It is true that Nike provides the sneaker world with a wide variety of models and styles. However, some sneakers are only produced in limited editions. This is considered the marketing tactic of Nike, in which the brand creates scarcity and emergency basis of the limited edition. Therefore, we as customers always have FOMO, fear of missing out, typically with those limited models. So, we tend to address that fear, which drives Nike sales wherever they go. What are early access offers included in the Nike app? One of the privileges of early access offer in the Nike app is that you will get notifications about the new model. Moreover, once you become a Nike member, you will have a chance to access the best Nike shoes, items, community, etc. very first. Special offers will be sent to your Nike app inbox. Basically, Nike can send different offers to your inbox, depending on your previous purchase, interest, or any activity you do in the Nike app. So, make sure you act fast as almost all offers are limited time only, and the quantities are also limited. Even with expiration time and date are included, others might be interested in the items you want. Why are lots of Nike shoes unavailable? If you see a pair of Nike shoes are unavailable, that means it has been bought or are temporarily in other people's shopping cart. So, you can refresh the Prodigy page to check. If other members don't finish their purchases, your model and/or size will be available again. What time are Nike sneakers released? Nike shoes are usually released at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the United States and almost all other retail partners. You can convert the time zone to your local time zone for more convenient checking and buying. Now you know that Nike doesn't have a specific plan to refill their stock. Shoes will be restocked as soon as they are available. One of the best ways to know the upcoming products as well as the release dates and launch calendar is to visit the Nike website. Here, you will find all the in-stock products and upcoming models. You can also register to become a member in the Nike app to get updates on restocking, updates, etc., and early access to some limited editions as well. If you become a member of BrickRadar, figuring out how to find steals on shoes can be very easy. Click the link in the video description to learn more about BrickRadar. With BrickRadar, you can actually start making money today if you're looking for a great tool that's going to help you in your journey on reselling shoes, or if you're just looking for the tools to help you get started in the reselling game. Honestly, you've come to the right place. So hopefully, this is everything you needed to hear to get started with your sneaker reselling career. Go ahead and sign up today to start making profits.